Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. Today it's all about summer, you guys. I'm always loving to make a twist on things, and today I am making a twist on chicken cordon bleu, which is a French recipe of a chicken breast stuffed with Swiss cheese and ham. Today I am making some chicken cordon bleu patties, and we're going to use pretzel buns. Wow, I have the ingredients behind me. Let's go check them out. Okay guys, now that you saw the ingredients, I have my pan here. Today we are going to use the extra light, extra virgin olive oil in our pan. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you guys. I hope everybody's doing well. We're going to go ahead. I bought a pound of ground chicken. This is really great now for summer. The kids are home and this is great to make. I love making recipes that are great to make with your kids, guys. You guys already know that by now. So I've got myself a nice thick slice, about ½ inch slice of Serrano ham, which is a ham that is cured and processed in Spain. Have a block of regular Swiss cheese. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cube this up. I'm going to show you how I cube this up. Okay guys, I'm back. Our stuff is all chopped up as you saw. I've cubed everything. Let me show you. I've cut my navel orange in half and my lemon in half. Now here is my ground chicken. So I'm going to go grab some gloves. Hold on. Okay guys, I'm back. Gloves in hand. Put my gloves on. I personally like to use gloves. Ready. All right, let's do this, guys. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is take my ham and my cheese. That's a lot of cheese and a lot of ham, and that's fine. It's going to be a nice cheesy burger. Probably about 3/4 of that block you can cube up and then put the rest in the fridge. We have the whole 2 green onions that you saw in the ingredients. Yum, yum. I like to use green onion, guys, because there's a reason for it. I love the color, and also keep in mind green onion is a much lighter flavor than if you had a Vidalia or if you had a purple onion, so it's a lot lighter in flavor. It will not overpower your chicken. So now I'm going to move this, guys. I'm going to add my egg, but I'm not going to add my egg without testing it. You guys know I always test my egg. You never want to ruin your batter if you have a bad egg, so... This egg, you guys, has passed the test. Look how beautiful that is. We're going to put our egg in there. And we are going to, I'm going to start mixing this real quick. Just the egg. Then we're going to put our panko. The reason why I put almost a cup of panko, about a cup, is because there's a lot, it's not very good for binding. So, and keep in mind, if you're allergic to eggs, guys, it's very important to know that you can substitute the egg for applesauce. Applesauce is a great binder. For those of you that are allergic to eggs, now I've dirtied my hands. Hold on. So I'm going to use one hand. All right. I've got about some red pepper flakes, about a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. The red pepper flake is going to be so great because it's going to go ahead and it's going to work with the sweetness of the navel orange. So the citrusy part of it, so it's going to counterbalance sweet and spicy. Yum, yum. About a teaspoon and a half of onion powder. About a teaspoon and a half of garlic powder. It's kind of like making hamburgers, you guys. So I'm not using my machine to squeeze my citrus, and that's fine. What I am doing is I'm squeezing it in my hand, as you guys can see, because navel oranges are like lemons. They're seeds, so. And I just saw one seed take off in here. So that's okay, we'll just take it off. Here we have our lemon, which I'm going to also squeeze it and get our little seed out of here. It's important. Limes usually don't have seeds, but lemons do. I love lemons. So we're going to take the other half, guys. Yum. First, we're going to mix this up, guys. Now I'm going to get myself some salt and pepper, right? So let me do this. Let me just rinse my hands. I should have put... I would advise you guys, if you're using gloves, I do apologize, but I would advise you to put all your ingredients in first before you stick your hands in there. So, I know it's funny. So I've got my salt. Okay, my salt machine is, oh, it's covered. Very smart, Maritza. There we go, about a teaspoon of salt. Ooh, that was a lot of salt. Goodness. I forgot to take the cover off. Shame on me. All right, then we have our fresh ground pepper. I'm going to put some fresh ground pepper in there. Have to have our fresh ground pepper, guys. It's going to be wonderful for the moisture of our chicken. So now I'm going to take my other half and we're going to put some zest to bring out that lemon flavor. Yum. As well as the orange in our chicken. This is like unbelievably delicious, guys. So we're doing our orange now, our navel orange zest. I love when I use these flavors. I love to use the zest when I'm using a lemon or an orange because it really brings out that delicious citrus flavor. It's so unbelievable when you zest it. It's so absolutely delicious. I mean, it's not as bad as that you have to pucker when you're eating it, but you do get that nice, the nice oils from the zest. And it does work well. So now, guys, I'm digging my hands in here, which I should have done that before. I'm going to get a nice 4 big patties out of here. I have my nice ceramic skillet there that I'm going to put some of that extra light, extra virgin olive oil. That's what I'm using today. And the reason why I use light is because you guys know that I always mention that I use VO juice a lot, vegetable oil, because olive oil is not too friendly with very high temperatures. It doesn't tolerate it too well. So now I'm going to do this. I'm going to cut this in 4 so we can have 4 pretty even patties. They're not perfect, but... And I'm going to, when I come back, guys, I'm going to grab myself some parchment paper. And all right, I'm back, guys. My hands are clean. Sorry about that. So now we have our patties in the bowl, and I'd be very careful with olive oil. We're going to put some olive oil in our ceramic pan and let it heat up a little bit. That's good. Do that. Now I'm going to grab my patties and we're going to place them. I'm going to put the temperature, guys, at 2 above medium, guys. Oh yeah. I'm sorry, guys. All right, here we go. Sorry, guys. Okay, so make sure you try to fold the cheese as much as you can in there. Although it's going to create an incredible crust. And the secret is to leave it alone. Don't mess with it when it's in the frying pan. It'll brown. It's probably going to be like maybe 4 minutes on each side. Hey guys, I'm back for a minute. And I've just turned our chicken cordon bleu patties. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It smells so Swiss cheesy in here. Yum. Look at that, you guys. How beautiful is that? How's that for an incredible chicken cordon bleu patty? My goodness. I've also took the time during my break to slice some steak tomatoes and some butter lettuce. I love butter lettuce. Okay, guys, I'm back, and these patties are beautiful. I have the other 2 patties in the pan, starting the same process all over again. Let me show you these beautiful patties right here. We are going to assemble. Look at that. Let's get a little close-up on those patties. You see that? Absolutely beautiful. Crusty and absolutely beautiful. So we are going to grab our first hamburger pretzel bun. Put some of our aioli on it. Some on the bottom. We can put this on our plate so we don't get any grease on our buns. Or any of the juices, rather. I said it wrong. We can put on the plate. Alright, we've got some aioli here. Let me higher this a little bit so you can see it. Okay, so I've got some aioli on both sides of our bread. Now, I'm going to put one of my beautiful patties on here. Goodness. This is absolutely delicious, you guys. One of my patties. We are going to, I love butter lettuce, and I always take the bottom piece off. And I have my butter lettuce. Because I'm going to grab a little bit of salt because I am all about building flavors. So we have some more salt in here. Just a tiny bit for our tomato. A little bit of pepper. I wonder if I have any pepper left in here. A little bit of pepper. You know what I'm thinking, guys? We're going to go ahead and cover this. How beautiful is that? You know, I'm moving it over so you can see how beautiful this is. Look at this, you guys. There's one down, one to go. How does that look? Whew, that is going to be cheesy and delicious. So now let's do the next one. Now I'm going to show you guys these beauties before we try them. Look at this, guys. How's that for chicken cordon bleu patties on a pretzel bun? Yum. I'm going to go ahead and take this off. I'm going to go ahead and keep the skewer on the other half when I cut it, because I'm so afraid that it's going to just like, with burgers you have to always keep them nice, and I'm all about plating, so let's see if I cut it through properly, which I did. Look at this, you guys. Oh my God. Look at that. All that pink you see is the ham. The ham and the Swiss cheese in our chicken cordon bleu. It's fully cooked. The chicken's fully cooked. All right. So I'm done with that. Okay, guys. So now we're going to taste. All right. So I'm going to grab a bite of this. My mouth is watering. You got to be careful, guys. This is like really, oh my goodness. This patty is thick. Let me grab a bite of this, okay? Here I go. Here goes nothing, guys. It's hot. Mm. 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 What the heck? Mm. You guys. Mm. It tastes like a chicken breast with cordon bleu you made in the oven and put it between a pretzel bun. So delicious and was so easy to make, guys. But I'm a double dipper, so I got to double check. Let me double check. I always double dip. Oh my God, hot. Hot. Sorry. Oh my God, this is so good. You guys, I love making this, especially in summer. You need to try this. Try it and let me know in the comments what you think. Make it with your family, in the kitchen with the kids, and it's so fun and so nice to make, you guys. And you guys, listen. My sidekick is not here. I miss him, but the show must go on. And I will say, always remember to incorporate your two main ingredients in every recipe, which is passion and love. That's right. I don't care where you live. I don't care what your kitchen looks like. I don't really care what you're making. As long as you incorporate passion and love, your recipe will not fail. I promise you. I repeat, your recipe will not fail. Those are the two main ingredients in any recipe and in anything you do in life. Passion and love. So guys, make sure you visit me at Stovetop Yum Yum. www.stovetopyumyum, right here on the screen. My merch is out. The aprons are beautiful, as you can see. I have 4 colors. We have our Passion and Love shirts for women and Sharing to the Board for men. Oh, and I also have a promo code STOVETOP, which will save you 10% off your entire order. And of course, shipping is always free. And you guys, as I always say in every episode, au revoir, I love you, los quiero, and until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will be back with my sidekick, and I will see you guys then. Take great care, you guys. Bye-bye.